Okay, go.
Done, yeah, okay. Welcome to Money A+E. We just finished a session on money know-how. So I'm just going to ask the participant how they find the session today. So what I'm going to start with, the reason you came to the session today. If you could just tell each one of you.
Financial, to seek more financial knowledge and gain more financial knowledge about how to budget, how to manage my finances as things have changed.
Okay, that's good. Yourself?
Actually, sometimes it's hard to manage and making stretch the budget. So it's very nice to come and enjoy the session and feel more education, more knowledge about manage our money, our financial family budget. Yes, that's why.
To learn more about improving my finances.
Okay, that's good, that's good. So another thing is I want to ask, how did you find the session today?
Very informative, actually quite surprising that I learned quite a lot about different aspects of how to budget and also how to access information from different websites as well.
One word I can say brilliant. It's a very informal and very interactive session. I'm very happy to you as a trainer. You are brilliant.
Thank
Yeah.
you, thank you.
And it was really useful, informative, and I learned quite a lot from it.
Okay. So this is the most important part of the questions, I'll say. From what you picked up I taught today, so what are you gonna implement from it?
For me, it's looking at other ways of budgeting and how to make things work for me personally in terms of finances, of how I manage my finance. That's the most important aspect that I've learned today. What can I do to actually improve and how to save, and yeah, that aspect is very important.
Yes, excellent.
You know, I like your activity. You did a few activities, and one of the, I need to mention, the priority. I feel myself that sometimes we think this is first priority, but today I discover it could be third priority. And I discover again something that I feel is very low priority. Today I discover, no, it's first priority. So these things, makes ourselves rethinking, reuses, and feel like more confident to make the budget. Fantastic.
Excellent.
For me, it was about learning to budget savings into my budget, so to build savings in and then to build on the savings.
Okay. Okay, thank you everybody. We had a lovely session today. I really enjoyed it, so thank you.